Hello, hello, it's Stacy Glow. Today I have something very interesting and perhaps someone non-typical for you, a half-real holographic makeup. Are you intrigued, aren't you? This is not to say that I become a hologram, although at the end we will see. I put light shadows on the whole eye. Now I take light purple shadows and put them on the inner corner of the eye and a bit on the middle of the eyelid. Hologram is a three-dimensional image. Usually the hologram effect is achieved through the special semi-reflecting mirror. Today hologram is increasingly used in different areas. I won't be surprised if even the road signs are created with the hologram effect. Not that I'm good in this, I just read it somewhere. Actually, I learned about the hologram from the Star Wars movie. The episode with the Prince Leia's message is for sure well known, but it has nothing to do with the makeup. Only color is all that matters. I put silver shadows on the middle of the eyelid. I cover the upper eyelid fold with the violet shadows. To start with, hologram makeup is the violet, shiny and sparkling lips. Well, at least exactly this image comes to my mind at the mention of a hologram makeup, since this kind of lips makeup has become a trend of 2018. In brief, the hologram lips should sparkle and shine, slightly reminding of a lake surface or sea slick on a wonderful sunny day. Exactly this way, since on a sunny day the water shimmers with many colors. Well, or at night of full moon. Last year hologram eye makeup was popular. This year hologram lips are. Why the hologram makeup taken hearts of the women of fashion? Perhaps due to the development of Sigma Beauty, a well-known brand in the fashion industry. It is they who developed a lip gloss with the hologram effect. Actually, I think that people are so into modern technologies that they want to be just like robots from the future from all these ultra-modern movies, since they have perfect skin and usually skinny or blue lips. In a word, as a rule, something unusual or something from the future makes us look at it. But this is just my version. Maybe you have yours? Please write in comments. And I try to reproduce the hologram effect in purple, pinkish and silver tones. Now I need to cover the whole eye with the light purple shadows. Then I add silver shadows with my fingers and a bit of dark purple ones. The main point of the hologram makeup is volume, gloss and iridescent colors. When created such a makeup, mirror glitter is used. Pink, purple and blue in combination with white, silver, golden and even green. These are the colors that dominate the hologram makeup. Today I'm going to use the hologram pink violet glitter. I will put it on the whole eye. In order to put the glitter better, I moisten the brush. I also use my fingers to achieve better effects. When you use glitter, you should keep in mind one important thing: it crumbles, so when you put it, the whole face will be in glitter, and it's very likely that even patches won't help. Alternatively, you can use a napkin, putting it under the eye, but in this case it will be harder for you to put glitter. So I just take off extra glitter with my brush. On second through, it is possible to turn this nuance into the positive one. You don't have to use a highlighter. I will use the dark purple shadows to outline the lower eyelid. And I will add white shiny shadows in the inner corner of the eye. And now I will try wings. I have a black marker for this purpose. A holographic makeup hardly suitable for the daily use, but is in the most suitable for a festival, on a party or some memorable event which requires an original approach. If you are a fan of comics, then you are sure to visit Comic-Cons once in a while. For such an event, a hologram makeup will be just a great option. Now I put mascara on my eyelashes, then I smooth them out. Now I need a highlighter. I will take this stick, although probably not. I don't really like this, it's too light and not very bright. It's not good for this kind of makeup. Therefore, I will use shiny light shadow instead. They perfectly cover the skin, especially if you use this super brush. It makes the process convenient and pleasant. Now I need a blusher. Finally, I cover my lips with the lipstick with spell effect to refract the create the hologram effect in general. Today you can buy many different shades of lip glossers or lipsticks with the hologram effect. They are superbly iridescent in the sunlight, and let's not forget that it should not to be too much hologram, either eye or a lipstick, both in the case of costume parties. And this isn't over yet. Advice from Stacy: warm shade glitters looks better on the shadows of the same shade. For example, golden glitter on the brown background. The same applies to the cold shades. Blue glitter on the purple shadows will be a perfect match. A moment ago I showed you special holographic makeup. Oh, and now I think I'm becoming a hologram. Oops. Thank you for your precious company. See you in the next video. Bye bye.